Hi guys, welcome to TJ Marine, the channel where I buy classic boats and bring them back to life. Finally got the Bertram 20 back from the shipwrights. It's had a huge amount of work done on it. It's been in the mechanics as well. What I'll do today is I'll go over what we've done so far, what we're going to do, and I'll get it out on the water. It's going to be really interesting to see how it goes on the water because it has the same motor that the Scarab 2300 has. If you've seen my videos on the Scarab, it's got the exact same 228 horsepower V8 with the same leg as well. So it's going to be really interesting to see top speeds, fuel consumption. So after I show you what we've done and get it out on the water, then in the next episode I will show you everything that we will have done by then to the exterior of the boat, and I will do a fuel consumption comparison between this boat and the Scarab. So it'll be really interesting to see whether this hull type makes any difference, because they're both carbureted V8s, they're both the same block, pretty much identical engines. It's going to be really interesting to see what happens. Okay, let's start in the cabin. We've covered all of the sides here. If you remember, the paint was all flaking off. I thought it would look nicer to match the carpet with the rest of the boat. Didn't recover the squabs because they're already in pretty good condition, so I didn't see the point of spending the money there. That's basically all I've done in the cabin. And now in here, if you remember, all of the wood along here was all in pretty bad condition. It's just going to be prohibitively expensive to replace it. So what we've done is just covered it with this beautiful carpet. The floor has been totally replaced and recarpeted. Brand new seats. If you remember the old plastic bucket seats that were in here. Got some electronics here. Got a new fish finder so we can get onto the fish. And we've put this beautiful decking. I reckon that really brings up the boat. Looks fantastic. Now the other major thing that we've done is the engine. We've painted the engine and we've bolted the engine in. The leg needed a lot of new parts. The leg's been basically rebuilt, but it runs pretty sweet. So let's fire the boat up and make sure that it runs well, and then I'll see you down at the ramp and we'll see how fast it goes and how it handles. Okay, I'm at my favorite boat ramp. I like it because even on a busy Saturday, there's not really any waiting time. So let's get her out on the water and see how she performs. I'm excited to see how fast she is. Okay, here was my first mistake where things started to go pear-shaped. The rope was too long. But in my defense, it was a very calm day and I wasn't expecting anything to go wrong. Well, that didn't go to plan. I probably didn't get the shots that I wanted to show you exactly what happened, but basically it got stuck in forward gear. I just wanted to test it at the ramp before I drove off. The engine's obviously idling too high because I put it into gear and it completely took off. Ripped the cleat out of the back of the boat. Could have been worse, not too bad, so I'll have to figure out why it's sticking in gear, turn the idle down, put a new cleat on because the other one's totally bent and ruined. But we didn't get to go out on the boat. It's pretty good, the trailer. It's like there was butter on the rollers. Just came on and off so easily, so much easier than the Scarab. So next time you see me, I'll have the outside all fully renovated and we'll finally get it out on the water and see how she performs, see what the fuel consumption's like. But until then, thanks for watching.